The best composite kitchen sink will be durable, easy to clean, and will look amazing. These sinks can add an element of sophistication to any kitchen. We've researched and discovered the 12 top-rated composite kitchen sinks, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 12 best composite kitchen sinks, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Lexicon Platinum Quartz Composite 32 by 19 inch kitchen sink with large single bowl, white finish. The Lexicon Platinum Quartz Composite Sink is everything you'd want for your kitchen. It comes in a complete package with a grid set, disposable flange, and a drain that matches with the sink. The sink is heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is also stain resistant. The surfaces are sleek, smooth, and easy to clean. Although the sink is scratch resistant, you should still avoid cleaning with steel wool. The sink overall is hygienic and easy to clean. Many people love this sink for its drop-in or undermount installation. When you're looking for an easy installation, you can definitely get away with it in this sink. The dimensions make it a great choice for any kitchen as well. This sink is 32 inches by 19 inches by 9 inches. Coming in at number 2, Franke Ellipse 33-inch dual mount granite double bowl kitchen sink. A great sink for anyone who needs 2 bowls. There are 4 color options, including champagne, onyx, white, and mocha. With the variety of the colors, there aren't any reasons to opt out of this sink option. The non-porous nature of this composite material makes it an extremely clean surface. The bowls are 9 inches deep with standard drain holes. It's reasonable for most kitchens. The Franke Ellipse Granite sink comes with templates and hardware for a complete installation. While it's always best to have a plumber install sinks, many people can DIY this project. What makes this sink great is its lightweight frame. Since the sink is only 43 pounds, it does not usually need additional structure underneath the sink to support the system. Coming in at number 3, Kraus KGU 413B 31-inch undermount single bowl black onyx granite kitchen sink. Kraus is well known in the kitchen appliances and fixtures category, but this 31-inch onyx bowl is the best composite kitchen sink for the money. It comes with the hardware to install the faucet with a catch. The composite includes 80% natural granite. The internal dimensions come in at a 30.4 inch by 17 inch by 8.6 inch, so there is plenty of room to work. The Kraus KGU 4138 uses a thermal finishing process to reinforce its durability. The sink will hold up to heat, chipping, and scratching as well. For easy maintenance, stay away from steel wool scrubbers and stick with smooth, creamy cleaners. One of the best benefits of composite sinks is the natural sound capture ability. If you're looking for a hygienic, quiet sink, you should definitely consider this option. A matte black sink will fit into any kitchen design. The undermount installation for this sink will allow you to go with any faucet option you could choose. Looking to learn more about the best composite kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Blanco Grandis 33-inch double basin drop-in or undermount granite composite kitchen sink with 60-40 split. The Blanco Grandis 33-inch double basin sink is great for the multitasker. There is a one-hole faucet hole that works well with most faucet options. The 2 basins are set up in a 60-40 split. The left side is 9 inches deeper and 17 inches across. The right side is 9 inches deep and 12.7 inches wide. This sink uses a composite with an anthracite finish and is mostly granite. If you don't want to use the faucet hole, you can install the sink as an undermount or drop-in. The undermount option will allow you to use any other faucet. The best feature of the Blanco is that both sinks have rear sink drains. Because the sink drains are near the rear, you can keep many of the under sink storage space. Coming in at number 5, VIGO 36-inch by 18-inch by 9 5/8 inch undermount farmhouse kitchen sink, composite solid surface single bowl apron front. For a classic white matte finish, this VIGO kitchen sink option is a must. The Undermount and Farmhouse installation makes this sink a perfect addition to any counter design. This sink uses a single bowl and a center drain. Unlike other composite sinks that focus on a shiny and sleek look, this sink uses a matte finish that looks more like natural matte. This sink is a very durable and non-porous surface that will resist cracking and stains. The best part of this sink is the lifetime warranty. While you might not expect to have any problems with your kitchen sink over the years, you might see the occasional scratch or chip. VIGO backs up their durability with a lifetime warranty, so your kitchen sink will always look beautiful. Coming in at number 6, R31004 Umber Single Bowl Undermount Composite Granite Sink Grid and Matching Colored Flange, Rene by Elkay. When you need extreme durability with a one-of-a-kind finish, this sink is for you. As a complete set, this sink comes with a drain cover and sink grid. The grid is a great addition to help extend the life of your sink. The matching flange can help complete the look of your sink. The quiet performance is outstanding with the unique formula. Instead of a mostly granite composite, this composition relies on quartz and acrylic. The two fuse together for an ultra-hygienic surface. This is a sink for a smaller household with measurements of about 22 inches by 17 inches by almost not 8 inches. This sink is slightly more heat resistant than other composite sinks. Withstanding temperatures of up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit is no problem for this sink. Coming in at number 7, Hoch International imports Black Granite Composite Single Bowl Kitchen Sink. If you're looking for a single bowl simple sink solution, give this Hoch International a chance. The Granite Composite Single Bowl is an all-black option. The drain comes with a sink as part of the complete kit. The Hoch International's imports granite sink is both stain and scratch resistant. The composite includes 80% granite and 20% acrylic, but has a unique texture. The texture makes this sink even quieter than the typical composite sink. As an undermount option, it will fit easily into any kitchen design. If you're in the midst of a renovation, you can speak with a contractor, plumber, or craft your own DIY plans of installation to include this sink. Coming in at number 8, Dekor Sinks Venti Composite Granite Double Bowl Kitchen Sink. Dekor Sinks is known for quality, and this Dekor Double Bowl sink holds up to that. There are 6 different color choices. If you're looking for something specific to fit in with your kitchen, you can find a color to match your design. There are also options for 1 faucet hole, 2 faucet hole, 3 faucet holes, or 4 faucet holes. The sink measures about 43 inches by 22 inches and is 10 inches deep in one side and 8.5 inches deep in the other. As a composite granite sink, it needs daily cleaning, but you'll find that this sink is both rust and stain resistant. The best feature though is the fiberglass backing, which reinforces the durability and helps maintain the temperatures. Coming in at number 9, R31005 Ivory D-Bowl Undermount Composite Granite Sink. Need a sink that's out of the box and not shaped like a box? This rounded off sink is part of a trend-setting style. The D-shape and uncommon formula come together for a unique style that will last for ages. This pack comes with a D-shaped sink, matching flange, and additional stainless steel grid. Many people think that deviating from the square design will affect the sound capturing ability of a composite sink, but that's just not the case. You will get the same quiet performance from the ivory D-shaped sink that you will from any other composite sink. The smooth finish is completely non-porous and has antibacterial properties. The ivory finish fits into many kitchen designs well, but can also fit into a bathroom. The custom-fitted steel grid can help extend the life of your sink by preventing dings, scratches, and chips. Coming in at number 10, R31006 Carbon Single Bowl Undermount Composite Granite Sink Grid and Matching Color Flange. A carbon single bowl undermount granite composite sink can complete any modern-looking kitchen. The R31006 composite sink is part of the new trend in dark composite sinks that seem to be sticking around. The acrylic and quartz fusion can withstand years of abuse. It has a few supportive extras, including a flange that matches and fits flush. The other extra is a matching stainless steel grid with rubber feet. The rubber feet help it sit in your sink without risk of scratching. What is really great about this sink though is that the tight curves bring in and elevated elegance. The sink has an incredible, sharp look that will grab attention in your kitchen. Coming in at number 11, Nantucket Sinks PR3018 Large Single Bowl Undermount Granite Composite. The interior dimensions of this sink are 27 inches by 15.75 inches by 8.25 inches. The Nantucket composite sink is heat resistant in about 560 degrees Fahrenheit, and the material reduces the sounds very well. You won't be able to hear any leaky faucet. The great thing is that this high-end composite sink comes in 4 colors. You can get this sink in truffle, black, sand, and brown. If you're looking for something with a little bit of color, this could be the right choice for you. Its non-porous surface is scratch resistant and holds up well against stains. The only thing to look out for is water spots. You will want to wipe down your sink with a microfiber towel every night. But overall, this is the best high-end composite sink available. Coming in at number 12, Miseno Carolina 33-inch single basin drop-in or undermount granite composite. Miseno sinks out of the classic composite sink design and offers the Miseno drop-in single bowl sink that has plenty of lip, making it easier to install. The long-lasting durability makes it well worth the investment. The non-porous material helps fight against bacteria buildup. The undermount or drop-in installation makes this a top choice for people redoing their sink on their own. The dimensions on the basin are 30 inches by 16 inches, making it perfect for most households. The best thing here is that there are multiple faucet holes that you can punch out. This means you aren't restricted to the type of faucet by the number of faucet holes. It's also easy to convert with garbage disposals. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite composite kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com composite kitchen sink to avoid. R31006 pewter single bowl undermount composite granite sink, grid, and matching colored strainer. The R31006 pewter sink has a lot of promise but ultimately fails. This is the worst composite sink on the market. You should avoid this composite kitchen sink at all costs. This kit often arrives without some of the pieces like the flange. There are times that the flange will arrive without the strainer. It's difficult to know what you're going to get from this manufacturer, but you can be sure that you will get a lot of runaround when it comes to dealing with their customer service. If you're paying for a high-end sink kit, you expect high quality in all the pieces. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best composite kitchen sinks. When you're looking for the right composite sink for your kitchen, there are many things to consider. The great thing here is that you'll always be able to find a composite sink that matches the design of your current kitchen and feel. With this list, we're sure you found the best composite kitchen sink. Looking to learn more about the best composite kitchen sinks in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite composite kitchen sink. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.